In this video, we'll learn how to save or export edited videos from Capcut to your photo gallery. Capcut is a widely used video editing app, and saving videos is quite straightforward. First, open the app, create a simple video, and make any necessary edits before saving it. There are two ways to save your videos. The first method involves tapping the X button in the top left corner, which automatically saves your video as a project. When you reopen the app, your project will still be available, allowing you to continue editing. However, this method does not save the video to your gallery or allow sharing on social media. To save your video to the photo gallery, tap the resolution button next to the arrow to open the export settings. Here, you can adjust the frame rate, resolution, and bitrate. Higher settings will improve video quality, but also increase file size, so consider your device's storage capacity. Once you've selected your preferred settings, tap the arrow button to begin exporting. The process may take a few seconds or minutes, depending on the project's size. After the export is complete, you can exit the app and find your saved video in the photo gallery. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.